from 2014, client in Nigeria, Epinoni. He used to cook for himself. Any kind of zababadi funai, like Mogu Migas Peget. So along the way, he read my mind and he was like, no, you know what? I like your mindset. I like your mindset. Don't you want to traffic? Then Miss Queen is internet. I think I took like 40 pills in one Queen. It's something that big. Maybe like that big. Apparently it was not enough. I had to swallow like 100. You have to the things out of the inside the plane. Like your plane then use wash it. Make sure you count. Wash is on this package. Also say seats. Your plane was being moved with seats. Then someone else working in the airport will come and take them out.
In 3, 2, 1, take it, Tony Montana.
Danke, Soweto, ebukhosini. Tony Montana lo bafethu awuthase kasi. Aleti ke khoma one. Ebafethu niyazi man, efanele sifikile ke, efanele sifike ngeshort. So before nhleke niya kakhulu ne, ngithanda ukuthi niyazi the show is strength and hope. Niyazi ke bafethu lento sizokhuluma ngayo fanele ngihleze ngisho before ukuthi abantu ababhaya ababhizi ababhayisa amazababa abacava ukuthi bona bayitshela ukuthi bakhawata umuntu oyuzayo kanti no khawateka mfethu nabazali bethu uyangithola kumanje so basiphethe i-event webhayisi zoba sikhuthaza abazali kunabazali ababhaya bafethu ababholile ngenxa dayidini amazababa into encane singayibiza ngawo wonke amagama. Why? Because of intwana uyaspanisa ngayima kaspanisa ngayiulilile yakhawateka lishawa yini lishawa ama depression. So bafethu man da emakhaya awucava ukuthi enhle uyashushumbisa bro wami shinta kusase ili mfethu before uzokhawata abantu ababhaya. Thank you. Sister.
Hi.
Unjani?
Yaphila njani?
Hayi ngimnandi.
Shabo.
Ngicela enhle uzi-introduce sister, utshela abantu ukuthi ubani, ubuya va. But ngiyazi ukuthi uzi-introduce so sike saba nawe kuba no Fawa Shoes.
Yeah, ngike ngaba khona la ni show igama lami ngilirato today ngibuye for stories. I have been here before nge-JPV nge-JPV gender based violence story, but today ngizela nge-trafficking story. Yeah.
Kahle kahle. Hawu ngasichachela.
Okay.
Nasi stories funa ukuzwa.
Okay, I trafficked from 2014 client in Nigeria, Epinoni. And then ngoba umngani wami and then introduce ake kule thing. And mina ngingekho sure ukuthi ngiyenzani kahle kahle thuni yabo. I thought ukuthi more traffic ama just gonna get there uthatha ibag ubuye kasi. Nami ngicabanga ukuthi kuyoba njani.
Okay.
All right, ngithatha vele flight, did my passport vele, thatha isikhwama ngaba muhle, obviously yazi bakuthengela impahla bakustashela uba muhle, vele makeup on point. Ukuthi mawugibela flight nawo ube muhle, fana nabanye abantwana abasebenzayo noma ungasebenzi. Yabo, that's the strategy ke. All right, ngathi ngise flight thini mangizofika eBrazil. I didn't know ukuthi mina ngazi language yangale ukuze ngicommunicate. Mina ngiyavela obvious English, yabo ngiyayehla vele airport. Mayehle airport ngapha khala bo oy dulubhem boom ina yangisa understand singilahlekile vele klari. Okay guy ngifonele lo guy ongihambisile vele because obviously my Brazil mini phone yakhe at time they load your phone with airtime. So ngimfonele ngimtshela ukuthi I can't understand everything that they saying here, like I feel like I'm lost yabo. Athi no maybe endaweni so kuzobona umuntu so uzokhuluma naye uzokutshela so sengise Sao Paulo manje. Okay ngikhuluma naye leyo muntu loyo vele sengithanda bangifake hotel. After hotel, I did not stay hotel more than 2 days. I stayed at hotel for 2 days and then bangithatha futhi bangisegalo guy loyo. Yabo. Mangishika lapho I was not allowed ukuthi ngiphume endlini. You are not allowed to roam around the streets. You're supposed to be in one place all the time. Into ifunayo you're gonna ask and bazohamba ukuthenga into ezinjani. So izinto zathathi 10 AM before my first travel. Because uguy ngiyafuna ukuthi ngihambe lo ngizebuyi. Ngiyafuna ukuthi ngihambe ngimele India, ngilanda stuff sakhe India, ngisilethe Brazil before ngithathe sami Brazil ngisilethe la South Africa. You understand? So ngahala and I stayed in Brazil for 3 months. 3 months Brazil ngihleli ngidla isinkwa namaqanda because I never knew ukuthi Brazil kunenyama kunani. Obviously liphaya mangangitshela ukuthi lana yikubukho ukudla like okwaziyo amaqanda nesinkwa kuphela yikho ukudla okwaziyo. Then I was like, okay. And every day, imagine, if we udla isinkwa namaqanda, isinkwa esimhlophe every day, it comes to a point whereby you get constipation, like you get constipation. So I was always constipated. So every time I had laxatives, just to be release the isinkwa esiswini, because like ngingasakwazi ukwenza anything for 3 months ngihleli. And the last day, 3 months later, okay, I'm telling you, I'm going South Africa, but I don't think you're gonna reach South Africa. Nitsi, what do you mean I won't reach South Africa? It's because it's your first time here, but you're acting like you know everything. You don't want to listen to me. You don't want to take orders. Nitsi, but I had an order already from South Africa that I'm supposed to come here, take the and come back to my country. So I have no other order to take.
Okay.
Yabo?
Also, boyolanda.
Mungmeni ngiyolanda eBrazil.
Oh, I boletha ngayo.
No, siyalanda eBrazil, siyalethe ngapha.
All right.
Okay. Then ngizigwinye lezi zinto ne. I think I took like 40 pills engwagwinyile. It's something that big. Maybe like that big. Yabo, then ngasalwa lento ezi40. Apparently it was not enough. I had to swallow like hundreds, but because of ukayimi ngangithembi. Nami vele mingasasifuni lapha, I took that 40 and came back. Me passing the airports, obviously, and I have to fight for my way out the airports. I'm like, no, you can't be stopping me. I'm stop my Brazilians. Like I'm a South African. You have no right to do this to me. I'm even late. I'm going to work. Saying the store. Nama poisa. Ngiyandlula. That's the first time. Okay, mangifika ngapha ngiyazikaka lezi zinto bayalwa boyi2 lawa bangithumile. Like bayalwa like balwa like this is not enough. Why did you give her such small amount of things to bring back? That's not my problem. That's your guys' problem. What I was given that side is what I took, and that's what I came back with. Okay. Good second travel. Still to Sao Paulo. Yep. Second travel, okay, it was good. It was fine. I had to swallow like hundreds. Then I've traveled no less than 7 times to Sao Paulo. And when I was coming back, you have to the things out of inside the plane. Like you plane then you wash it. Make sure you count. Because it may be like certain amounts. If like it's 100, you have to out hundreds. Uzowashi zonke this package. Also say seats. Your plane was being moved with seats. Then someone else working in the airports will come and take them out and give it to the person up to me. Like before you get paid, they have to count the thing.
What's your sister?
Yeah.
What's the sister?
And so things went on. Yeah, I was doing that. Until the airport, they got suspicious. Yeah, man, she said, and all the time I had to come up with the story. Brazil, what's happening? Yeah, okay. And then 2017, I had a friend of mine, Batu Matapelo. Matapelo, we went together at Brazil, Safia. You know, as in yabo. Wabo Matapelo in Brazil, but now she's out. She's out now.
Wabosho abuya na.
Wabosho abuya, Maria was Bopisa. Because Matapelo was like, dude, let's go. And no more harm, because I'm doing you a favor. Yeah, well, I mean, I'm used to swallowing, but for your sake, what I'm gonna do is I'm a yeah, well. There's this bra and panties that we wear as a woman. So it was on my hips, that's where the are stashed. Yeah, well. So when wearing that, you have to wear a floral, like it dresses like it's a gear. Yeah, we would see there's something in your body. So she insisted on wearing a jean. I remember the day she was wearing a black jean. She insisted on a jean. What go get Matapelo, and we came. Must figure airports. I called her because there was a mirror reflecting in Muvawam. And I was looking at her through a mirror. And I asked her, "Hey, but Chumi, I said, Chumi, nothing Boshi." And I was like, "So Boshi, because you don't even know how to speak the language." And she was like, "No, Choma, just like I'm saying, just go, nothing Boshi." I'm like, "Oh, okay, so Boshi." Then I called the person because to me. I'm like, yo, there's a serious problem. Matapelo is arrested. What's no, just stay calm. So mga things stay calm. Ufunela umatapelo, utshela umatapelo ukuthi angakhulumisa umuntu, like ama-lawyer yethu azomkhipha manje la akhona. Kanti he was buying me time. You know, as soon as the flight takes the air, there's no way you can come back down.
Okay.
Yabo. So it gave me enough time to stash everything ngizibeke endaweni and be free in South Africa. Then since then, my passports, many airports, it's always alerting high risk. Yeah, like my system, passport time is high risk.
Ungakazi uboshwa.
Angalazi ngiboshwe. I've traveled no less than 8 times.
Ngi up and down yakho.
Yeah, up and down as a Brazil. Every year I used to go there like 4 times, 3 times. From 2014.
Yes.
I stopped at 2017 travel.
So angitshela la uhlangana kanjani?
No muntu lona. Okay, I'm just gonna be deadly honest.
Yeah.
All right, I used to work at Rex Hotel. Yeah, well, I think I has Rex Hotel epilon.
Awuyikhaqe wazana. Yeah.
Rex Hotel nje.
Okay.
Rex
ngithi yazi
Hotel,
ukuthi
it's
ikhaqe
where
ke-
most girls are. Yabona bafuna ukuphanda like isiphanda khona njengamantombazane.
Okay.
So this Nigerian guy,
Ngithi yazi why kancane sorry for ukungena mina. Yazi why ne ngenzela ukuthi omunye umuntu olaphana ekhaya I understand. Yabo mina ngayazi but ukhumbula ukuthi awutsheli mina ngiyiwani. Lo muntu osekhaya ufuna uyazi ukuthi wenzani but
Yeah,
mina
okay.
ngizoyibeka in short ukuthi abantu ba understand lapha emakhaya. Ngithola ukuthi iRex Hotel ile ndawo le ingazathi abosestere bethu abaphelelwa isitoko khona.
Stock.
Yeah,
Yeah,
njengoba ibe-
as in the store. It's okay, fine. Rex Hotel is where most girls are found in pleasing men sexually. That's what I can say. I was pale like
Yebo.
so also was pale. All right.
Yeah.
That's where you get Rex Hotel. That's where I met the guy, the Nigerian guy. The Nigerian guy had a house whereby he was selling amazababa.
Okay.
Yabo.
Yeah.
So amazababa wakhe, he used to cook for himself. Any kind of zababa funai, like maguye mikaziphekela. He had a kitchen whereby uphekela kuyo, everything is done there. Yabo. So mingaba nama clients wakhe used to pay. Like they can give you 5 grand. Go to Blooming now and and you have to be naked and entertain them. We see when you win money, you have to entertain them. The more they are entertained, the more money you make. Yeah,
Yes.
so he chose me and I used to entertain his clients for him and I used to get paid in that way. Yeah, understand. So along the way, he read my mind and he was like, no, you know what? I like your mindset. I like your mindset. Don't you want to traffic? And I was like, traffic? Okay, and I came back home and I was like, Mom, I'm going tomorrow to Brazil. My passport was out, everything was there. Mama, ngiyahamba kusasa. So yeah, ne Brazil. Oh, cabanga ukuthi Brazil papa nginyama. Then after 2 days, ubona phone call yangena, 15 numbers on her phone, and she's starting to stress. Ukuphi? Like ngise Brazil, I told you. Yeah, but that's how it all started.
And then umtshela umama ukuthi enhle kuzenzani eBrazil oviyasungizana.
Ngimtshelile.
Uyazi ukuthi usho
That's why ngathi kimi cabanga ukuthi papa nenyama. Ukwenza leyo nto leyo. Yebo, not knowing ukuthi kama mpela ngiyahamba.
Lera ungitshele mfethu
Yebo.
uma approach kanjani umama ukuze umtshelele like
I'm this kind of person Kaya, like if I want to do something, I just say it. Yeah, but I'm open like that, Kaya. Even if I've done something, I'm gonna come back and tell you, yeah, but I'm like that. So I just came up straight to her and I told her, Mama, I'm Brazil. Then my mother was like, oh, nanauki papa naman, so we buang. Yeah, well, then wabona phone call.
So uguy uye kuphela uke wasipana naye.
Uyaphela because I trusted him only. But eBrazil baningi esengihleli endlini zabo.
So angitshele ke per trip
Yeah, when I come back, I used to earn like 40, 50 grand, depending on the things that I have in my stomach. If I have less than 100, then it will be like 13. If I have more than 100, it will be 50, 60 grand per trip.
and wena mfethu uyeka yi7 njobusho.
More than 7.
Wafopa abopopile mfethu.
Ngihlala ngipopa. Only one trip engahamba nganayo nomngani wamosheka impilo.
Njoba kuboshwa aboshwa.
Ngimosha umngani ya. Obviously umngani mekaphisa amatikiti wethu wokubuya mina ngiphisa amatikiti okubuya.
Asa.
Yabo. So obviously umngani masabushiya makucheck amabheki check ini ngiphuma lela tikiti negama lami. So manje ngene obviously airport singi high risk.
So mawufika eBrazil njoba ufika uya kanje yawazi ukuthi uhlangana nobani.
Okay, ukaba like bazokutshela bathi uzofika eBrazil like uzofika eFastlokas. Mhlawumbe uThoni Montana. unomuntu ohlala negama lakhe uThuni. uThuni makanye kavele kuqala mina kuvele umunye umuntu kuqala before uThuni because they don't know who you going with. Have you did like maybe you snitched or something. Akuvele uThuni kuqala uzovela umunye umuntu okuhamba nisana noThuni. Uzoba uye uzokuyisa kaThuni hayi ukuthi uhlangana naye straight.
So ngitshele Lerato kuwonke lama trip owavaya wonke wenza the very same thing uyokapa lapha ni toilet seat.
Yeah, take toilets all you wear them.
Ngisho ukuthi ya ngiunderstand singisho ukuthi mawuqeda nje lapha ubhosha uzobeka njengoba uthi ubeka emva kwe toilet seat.
Yeah, toilet seats bazokubekela a screwdriver. There's somewhere you're going to find a screwdriver at toilet. Mina ngase toilet please you take the screwdriver, you unscrew the toilet. Iyaphuma toilet yaseflatini. Iyaphuma, you open the toilet, you package it, move, you screw it back and you put back the screwdriver where you found it. Kuzokhoma siziphelele.
So awukaze wabuya nawo like straight every time uyenza kanjani simoke.
The first time I left, it was the first time when I was straight because I was not told ukuthi ngishiye. So ngisasiphethe siswini. Ngasigaka ngifika ngapha. Yeah.
So awungitshele mfethu ngifuna utshela abantu emakhaya ukuthi nakho sogwenyile. Ufila kanjani? Mina ngiyazi ukuthi ufila kanjani but ngifuna ukuthi utshela abantu emakhaya.
Uyagwinya and then like most of kunye maybe 10 times like most of kunye amapilisi ayi 10 yobu sleveni uzozwa like izokhala gu esiswini kuba ngathi amatshe ahlala phezulu kwamanye amatshe yabo. And then if isisu sakho is not strong or if udlile you're going to feel nauseous and you're going to want to vomit and immediately you vomit remember ukuthi kumele uwathathe futhi and swallow them back. You understand? Like this thing happened to me. I was on a transit. Yabo. Being to transit, I was supposed to take a flight from here, South Africa to Dubai, or from Brazil to Dubai to South Africa. You know, I was on a transit. So my flight was delayed. You understand? My flight was delayed. Yeah, the flight might delay. I was in Dubai. And since I'm a police work like and I had to go to the toilet at the airport in Kaki. It was a must because it's really sebenza. Then in figure in Kaki airport, same time I had to wash them near Ngamanzi, la was a sitting or some move. I had to wash them and swallow them back. Because minimum figure is out of shaking, I figure pelele, otherwise you're gonna die. They're gonna think that you did something with their things. Yeah, well, it was a very risky job. It was a very risky job.
So mawugwinya mele bente kungakawula.
Yeah, I mean at least also one slide just to hold balance and which means we're panting already sitting is empty. Maybe just a slice. Yeah.
So qeqesha ubani lerato? Ngiyakuyonke yonke lento uzazi zonke lezi zinto lezi. Angithi
I learned them on my own because I stayed 3 months in Brazil ngifuna ukubuya ekhaya ngakhona. Yebo. Yeah, so
njengoba uhlala 3 months first time angithi
first time.
Bo delay yinda.
Ulo muntu lo ngiyafuna ukuthi ngiqale like ngilandele izinto zakhe eIndia ngibuye nazo so I didn't allow that.
So uyowafonela ibhoza yakho.
Ngiyongifonela. So like sebalobo ithuke manje lona usanyeke sizobona phela sekala. Naloya uthi uzombuyisa lo uthi sizobona. And I think ngene vele sekangika kanjalo wabona ukuthi ngiseveni no I won't do it.
Manje uphila kanjani nalomuntu mfethu ngoba nakho wena ngadi stranger kuye awuyenze lezi zinto lezi akazifunayo.
Ungishiye nema loaf like okay eBrazil kunesinkwa ne esingaboli. Thina sesinkwa apparently sinokuthi sithathe like sine expiring dates. eBrazil like basibheki isinkwa siboli. So I used to have a tray yesinkwa ne tray yamakanda. Yabo. Amakanda eBrazil amhlophe in color on the outside. Yabo, and yellow in the inside. So I had a tray of eggs and a tray of bread every single day of my life. Mengenza ikanda in different ways. To a way ukuthi namhlanje ngisalidla ikanda. Newe ngidle ngakhona.
3 months.
3 months. Ngidla ikanda phela.
Ungafili ngathi usejele because of mfethu nasejele kahle kahle banokuchange bakugaye something else. Cabanga wona udla into one every day.
Every day.
And then dawuhlala khona u1.
Uhlala u1. You're not supposed to mix nabanye abantu because they're gonna follow up by then babona ukuthi you're not here for pleasure, you're here on business, yabo. Yeah.
So ngitshele ke njengoba uhamba nomngani wakho it was for the first time njengoba yena yoboshwa.
Ngihamba naye yeah. So safika eBrazil yo umuntu wayenza ngathi wazi kundlula mina and we lived in different compounds. Sithi mina ngihlala lana maybe ngihlala ePitori. Distance kanjalo. So I took one day ngathi singiyambona ukuthi njani since wena aqala ukufika eBrazil. Ngaya mangifika ngimthola uhamba la half naked endlini uhlala nendoda. I'm like Chomi and then enzakalani why are you half naked? Why are you drinking alcohol? Yazi ukuthi ngitshela ngathi you're not supposed to drink lana. You're supposed to focus till sibile muva. wangitshela ukuthi yena ucela ukuthi ngikhiye kwakhe ufuna ucela ukuphuma. Mina bengiqala ukubona ibheshi yaseBrazil ngaye. Bengiqala ukubona ukuthi eBrazil kunebheshi. Bengiqala ukubona ukuthi eBrazil kuhamba ithuthuthi kakhulu kundlula imoto. Ngaye umuntu olethe yimi. Yabo. And then saxabana kanjalo ke.
So usibalakala umthola la. Uhlangane kanjani nalosibalakala hlala nje ukuthi uhlala nendo?
Ayinisize C2 from airports. So airports bazokutshela ukuthi wena uhlala nobani wena uhlala nobani.
Okay.
Ungusingahlala C2. Once uhlala C2 sodakwa siba ngumsindo, yabo. Yes, I check izinto ngemelanga sesi
Uyazi ngibuza ini ukuthi yena indoda uyithole kanjani?
Nami nendoda, nahlala nendoda.
Okay.
Indoda leyo yokumele ukuthi yenzele yonke into.
Okay.
As in like ngikhala ama fruits izophuma yokuthenga ama fruits. You understand? Ufuna cold drink uyozophuma uzokuthenga cold.
Something like bodyguard.
Yeah.
Akusuye lo ukufuna izinto ukuthi kumele uzise
kunabantu aba-different like mawufika ne mawufika they're gonna give you a person ozohlala naye. Lo muntu lo ohlala naye umuntu ozokunikeza istaff ozobuya naso ngapha eSouth Africa. Uyokugadile uyokumele ukuthi enze sure ukuthi you safe in every way because ngaphandle kwe safety yakho then there's no business. You understand? Yeah.
So nakho ke first day yakho ucommunicate kanjani nalomuntu uyazi English?
Uyayazi English, I mean like he's Nigerian.
Oh no,
they're all Nigerians, so they communicate together. You communicate English.
Okay. No, yazi wangibuza le question kakhulu ngizothi awufika first day awuyazi ilanguage.
Yeah, airports.
Okay, airports.
Airports. So you're hearing everybody speaking Portuguese like oi tulubhema wazi ukuthi yini manje lo oi yini tulubhema and then
so ungasifundanga vele nakancane speaking
ngifunda kancane.
Umuntu kanjani uhlaliwa?
Ngisifunda kancane obviously manje phela sekumele uhlale semafonini mawufuna ukudlula e-airport ufuna ucela something you have to know Portuguese. Yabo.
Ngenkani?
Yeah.
This is
how it was.
So video yangithusa. So nayi lento engifuna ukuyazi. Uphethe amatikiti okubuya. Uphethe amatikiti okubuya.
Sesifikile amatikiti asasekuyi.
Yena unize grand. Yena akasaphatha ngafu.
Yeah. Ngumnandi. Angisitikiti lengitikiti bavele baliphanje phela. Then ngihlalele kuwe it's fine. So uphethe lawo mina ngiphethe okubuya hoping ukuthi yimi ngizophana ngamatikiti mase sibuya sithu.
Okay. Yabo. Wena sophethe itikiti lakhe. Alisasebenzi. And then ubosho eBrazil kanjani ngoba
eBrazil mina ngiyambuza sho ngithi like sekagcokile and ngimtshela ngithi awungeke ugcoke ijini qedwe like ugcokile le ties le obviously izokaleka afuna ukungimamela I'm like okay sharp shoot wena uzongilandela ke whatever I do shoot now mina uyenze because angeke ngihambe nawe so hand in hand ubone ukuthi kanjani yabo ngime shop ama specs ke ngimfonele kanti ongandluli angitshela ukuthi hamba mina sengiboshiwe ngithi uboshiwe kanjani batheni kuba bakubopha because you can't even speak the language. But tell me, okay, just tell me one word about khuluma now. Wathi no ndlula sebangibophini. Yabo wasala kanjani?
Yes.
But fortunate enough sekabuyile sekasi manje.
Kanti intani nje njoba
2017.
Uvamshenga ngaka?
Awamshenga wena 6 months yena meke sihlalele for izinto zakhe ke.
Bese bekasihlalele beka ku vacation. Alright, yes. So ungathini like ngamazaba wena?
Amazaba are good if you're not using them, making money out of them. They're bad if you're using them and not making anything out of them. That's the truth. That's the flippant truth.
But must I understand? Understand ngiyakuthola but mfethu ulokwazi ukuthi you are killing.
I wasn't killing nobody. I was killing my pockets with money. That's the reality.
Nebheka ngithi ukhumbule ukuthi lento leyo uyathatha.
Mina ngithengisela umuntu.
Yeah, mara obviously mfethu wena uwenza ukuthi ifike la ekhasi.
That's what I'm saying. Amazaba are good if you're making money out of them. They're bad if you're using them. Yabo. Yeah.
But mina
I can things that amazaba but they made me
ngibona ngazathi zonke imfana ziyafana.
They made me money.
As struggle.
They made me money.
Ngiyavuma. Mina ngiyavuma la phela. Leza abalili. Ne angeke lize lifike la ekhasi.
Ngaphandle kwami. Ngiyakuthola lifika ekhasi ne. Why wena wayuza? Mina ngizama ukwenza imali. Wangawathatha wena wathengisa. Enza imali yakho. I'm not telling anybody to use. But I'm just filling up my pockets. I need to feed my family. I need to feed myself.
Ngiyakuvuma ntwana. Yidayidi ngiyenza. Yabona namhlanje bafethu lapha emakhaya afanele sitholile ivara ukuthi that's why inhle ngidayidi ngeke iziphele ngoba lo muntu loyo akaziboni into ekani anephutha but mina ngiyakutshela mfethu mina indaba uyazi why ngiringa kanje ntwana ne ngivayisa abantu ema rehab ngisiza abantu ngama and mina I know amakhona wonke ukuthi wena njengoba uyithatha ngada uyiletha yi ngabe kuthiwa wena uyanga ngada ngabe bengeke ngifike yi okay so I understand ukuthi wena ubizi bani you understand and wena wazi ukuthi bayibhayisa va mara the very same dayidi zababa lizolenda da ikasi lakho
Lend Kaslam. But why aren't you wise enough to see what it's doing to others and not to use it? Why use it?
Yeah, yazi flop la khona yini aba ne ngokuthi into mfana mase like dayidi mase ingenile egazini ingenile ne kunzima vele ukuthi abantu bayiyekele yabo.
Okay.
For example khona umuntu mfethu obuyela kulento le after mthambe 6 years mthambe ile rehab
That's
for
my
2 years.
choice.
Yeah ngithi
No gun points at head. No gun point at head. Yeah,
but
that's
mina
my
ngifuna
choice.
sivumelana ukuthi labantu abashushu labo shushumbisa nawo yini kahle kahle benisilethela lento ngiyazi ukuthi awusayenzi none.
Yeah, I'm saying now I've decided to give back to the community. I give back to the community.
Thank you. Ngibuze
Yeah.
something before siyafair. Why are you giving back to the community?
Because God saved me a lot of times in life. Yeah.
So you didn't even realize ukuthi wena like uye wakhawata abantu manje.
Mina ngikhawathanga umuntu. Instead ikhawatheke mina ngokuthi nginganamaboshi. Kodwa lami laqala laba ends.
Mina futhi ngiyabuzela la radio futhi. Le radio futhi akafuna ukubona mara futhi ngeke ngifise la ungafuna ukufika khona but ke kunomntana owentombazane olingana nawe manje ne olingana nawe ngale age yakho njengoba uqala kanje.
Yeah.
Ufuna ukuyiqala la yini?
Hayi ungayiqali girl.
Mina
Ngicala
ngizobuza-
amadlozi ethu abafani.
Ngizobuza ukuthi why.
Yeah,
Mina
ngizokutshela
uzobuza ukuthi why.
nami ngizokutshela amadlozi amadlozi ethu abafani. Ungayiqala lento le kayi3 ne. I'm not saying do it, I'm not saying don't do it, but it's up to you. Amadlozi ethu abafani lento le kayi3. It's either you can die from your own self, it's very dangerous. Once it bursts inside your stomach, you're dead. Secondly, it's you're on high risk yokuthi uboshwe. Thirdly, you might go to Brazil and never come back. When about traffic, corner in Brazil, if you're not smart enough. So mas ngabantu asifani. So I'm not gonna say do it or don't do it, but from my own side, don't.
Ne. So tavenini wena ukuthi guiding man ngapasta la uzobhoda.
From the second time I went to Brazil, because this other guy was like, this thing is very dangerous. So don't you even for one day think I keep her sniff. I'm gonna show you an example why it's harder. Then I barely mean like, and blood was already coming out of the tongue. So when you see a shisa, it's not yet cooked. So she was sabila. So once you best this is in sakunje vela mathumba tabu.
Mafethu. Mina sekazini eplug. Bheka uyikave second time.
Yeah.
And when we like 7.
Yeah.
Uphethe ni plug futhi akusina plug. Think uphethe box means switch mfethu. Le like danger gefarle ngiyabona le.
Sikuthanda imali, not inhlupheko. Yazi mawusenhluphekeni, you don't really think straight, yebo.
Ne?
Yeah.
Ngicela ukhulume nomuntu osenhluphekweni manje because khona umuntu osenhluphekweni manje ocabanga ukuyenza futhi the very same thing oyenzile sithini masimbonisa.
Take a risk.
Neba fethi awungadlali kanjalo mntwana.
Ngiyadlala.
Udlali kanjani?
Angazi njengoba sazi usenhlupheko like ikuphi kangakanani, what are you facing, what you willing to do, how extreme you willing to go. Uyabo? There's things esingakhipha enhluphekeni. Like you can recycle this nowadays, it still pays. Uyabo, it pays a lot of bills that people I know by recycler and they still get their bills paid. There's things that can get you out of enhlupheko, like find your talent, chase after your talent, chase dreams, not money. It's not gonna pay you with anything. Like me today, ngisebenzile but angibonanga ukuthi ngisebenzele, to be truly honest. Yeah.
Ufundise ubani ukugwina ne rat.
Ngasifundisa ngifuna ukubuya ekhaya. Sengifuna ukubuya ndodamuka nzima 3 months ngihleli. Bathi nje mabafika bawabeka la bathi mina ukugwinya lezi zinto ngathi okay. Ngavele ngagwinya. Because mina sengisespect ngizobona umntwana wami ekhaya.
So le mali le kwenzeleni le rat.
Hayi leyo ngicela singayilapho. Ngaze bazobhidliza izinto ezenziwe.
Nasha. Shapa kuna flow. Yeah, but ngazi why ngibuza le question ukuthi ngifuna ukunderstand something. And today like I think ukuthi sengifikile la ukuthi ufeelani like uyazi ukuthi lezi zinto lezi dangerous and lezi zinto lezi uzibhayisela abantu ufeela kanjani like ukuthi nakho mfethu uyabona ulebele uyalanda but obvious ngiyazi ukuthi bowazi ukuthi lezi zinto ziyabulala because wena bezingakubulala first njengoba imali ngapastela ngaphakathi abanga mina ke ngizoyithi
angithi wena uthatha seyipheliwe so it's not that easy ukuthi ngavele ngibulale instead it's going to kill you slowly like slow poison. Yep.
Like what we see today.
Like what we see today. Yeah.
Ngicela sikhuthaza umuntu obhemayo. As much as now, uyazi why ngithi sikhuthaza umuntu obhemayo. As much as now we giving back to the community. And then nginesho ukuthi ulerata kafuni ukuthi abantu babheme.
Yazi mina I won't say ngizokhuthaza wonke umuntu obhemayo. I'll just say God has his own time. God's timing is always the best timing. Yabo. UNkulunkulu uyazi ukuthi wenzani ngempilo yakho la ukhona right now. Even though uzobhema usole, which means you still have conscience inside you. Ngelinye ngisini uzovuka uyekene. Yabo yonke into seyiyenza uNkulunkulu. I won't tell you what to do ngempilo yakho. Who am I?
Hayi var ngiyabonga. So ngifuna ukwazi lana first time eErin. Kwenzakalani uthini? eBrazil ujabulile?
Excited if yes, I'm on a flight.
Like, Brazil.
Yeah, I'm putting my dollar. I spend the flight in. I mean, I'm a perfume, I'm a Dolce and Gabbana.
Yes.
Like in Lapo, you understand? I'm living the life. Not realizing, but like it won't be as nice as like going. Yeah.
Now another question for it. Yini intense to realize and then uzuyeke like
my passport was on high risk, so I'm not allowed to go back again. I wanted to go back again. I wanted to go back.
Sithi mina manje ngithi lirato mfethu nakho mfethu ngifuna ukuhlanganisa into. Can you go?
No, I won't. Okay. No more. I won't no more. Because I'm going to that's what only Nigerian
kanjani passport yakho ku high risk.
Because of okay ngaphetha amatikiti wethu ubuya. Okay uboshile amabheg wakhe yasesha. Amabheg mawasesha. Obviously my name is on the first ticket ahambile.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So now they're looking for me. I'm getting calls here and there. Yabo, who's sponsoring your trip? Yeah.
Why ubiza umngane wakho?
Angimbizanga uyongcelile.
Plus kanjani ukuthi wena ubhizi?
Uye ongcelile. Ngezinto engizenza, enyankenze ngikhona ukuzibiza lana. Yabo wangibuza and I told her as a friend ukuthi ngiyenzani.
Okay.
Then ngamdoja ngayibhinoni ngamshiya ikasi. And yena wagcina athola ikasi ebhinoni ukuthi ngihlala kweliphi flat.
Wabuya uphethe ibukubu. Walibona ibukubu. Yabafethu be careful of ibukubu. Khona amanye amabukubu bafethu engamelanga mfana. Ngiyakutshela, mina ithi ngitshele. Yabona ngabe kuthiwa mhlambe azange ngifunde impilo ngendlela mfethu engichacha ngayo none. Ngabe mfethu ngwele ematrapini abaya.
But this was not a trap. Now you're making it sound like nami like ngafuna umbophisa. No, yena wazibophisa. And I'm going to make sure like on the next podcast ungizoza naye and uzosikhuluma isitori sakhona because ngifuna ukuthi naye azobika.
Yeah.
Yabo because of cishe umphakathi uhlishisa indlu sekhaya they were like I'm using her as bait. Yabona mina ngidlena ama ngashiya yena eBrazil of which it was a lie. Of which it was a total lie. Yabo.
Wona imnandi wena nani manje?
Yeah, we speak.
Okay, sure.
Siyakhuluma like but not as before. Siyakhuluma but you can see with somehow usanikwali like usanalewe enganyala.
Yekelani ke eBrazil nothwala ngeimpondo nizoboshwa. Serious mfethu yazi ngikhuluma on a serious note because of yazi why ngisho kanje ne kunomunye sesibeka la. Naye mfethu kuzaye ngada. Uvaye ngomngane. Yabo. So today futhi buya the very same story. Sinomngane ngaphakathi. And mina I don't think ukuthi boba blame abantu. Ngendlela ba react ngayo ne.
I didn't because I knew that one day uzobuya and she would finally speak the truth. Okay, like abantu abaningi ngiba-blame, but somehow I blame them because kumele babona always did this thing alone. Mina ikasi ngihlala ngihamba ngiyi-one. I never used to have any friends. So they're supposed to ask themselves, why this time nalo muntu so not blame everything on me. Yabo. But anyway, we understand with inhliziyo ezibuhlungu says whatever. Awusacabanga ngengqondo usocabanga ngenhliziyo. So I don't blame anybody for anything.
Umuhle na kanje le rato nto.
Ubuhle bungena kuphi eBrazil manje sona?
Ngisho khona mina eBrazil umuhle na.
Hamba abantu ababi kanti.
Angisho ukuthi kamba abantu ababi mara mfana usacabanga ukuthi mfethu cabanga sikuthiwa mhlambe uboshiwe nalawo bowazi ukuthi nama crime engaka mawucabanga 100 lira amabhola 100.
Yeah, that was like maybe 1.5 kilograms.
Yeah, ne. Yeah, bafethu but mina ngine concern there to like nama yabo. And aba esikhathini esibhaya thina sitshelana ngomqondo wethu ukuthi umuntu maka eBrazil or maka eChina mhlawumbe uyohlangana neChina ngada.
You can be South African going to, let's say, Malaysia, and you can still miss a South African day. It's all about business communication. These people are making money, and they're brothers. You know, it's funny how we South Africans fight alone in terms of business, and you find outside people like Nigerians, they work together to make money.
So lo mngani wakho bekanganayo enye indawo bekasebenza ngeBrazil nje kuphela.
Yeah. He used to only work in Brazil.
So lerato nayo enye question ayifana ayangibuyela ama question. Lerato manje lapha ehotela ufaka ubani?
Umuntu engitholile before ngithola umuntu engiyakuye.
Sengisho kule hotel asekasi before uzohlangana nale out le night. Wena uya kanjani ngala?
Uyahamba ngithi already when you're booking a flight you have your
Lerato understand. Like us kuzohlangana ne-Niger leli eliyenza ukuthi uvaye ngada i-ID. Angithi uhlangane nalo kule la hotel. So vele ya ungena kanjani la?
ngena kanjani ngena ngokuthi ngifuna imali ngifuna imali abangani bayangitshela bathi hayi Chuma senza imali endaweni so obvious Chuma nami ngicela ukubona izwakala ntwana khifile vele sengida
ngifuna ukubuza enye question ngala ngathi
ungayibuza
ngibona ngathi comfortable mangibuza because ngifuna angithi mina ngifuna ukuqhatha le hotel
ukuqhatha le hotel
ngifuna nje ukuthi understand the grand ukuthi la hotel like explain it. I think abantu bakuzwile ma explain. So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi nakho ke mfethu ya entertainer ke lo muntu entertainer for that angithi yena ulimi uyazaba. Uthola malini for lespan?
It's like we used to agree 1.5 for 30 minutes for an hour 3,000 so you can go like as long as umuntu like when you entertain a sharp right now he can have you the whole night, he can have you for days.
So yamthinta odlalela le fair.
Yamthinta fair, it doesn't matter as long as umuntu azoba happy. Angizwe ngifuna imali.
Okay.
So whatever you feel ukuthi yakujabulisa usijabulisa lo yamuntu. Whatever lento ezojabulisa lo yamuntu is your money.
Okay, let's take lo muntu ufuna ukushaya.
Uyamshayisa angithi mani.
Ngiyabona nayi lento bengisho ke bafethu. Ngithi le ndawo yalama steroid angaphelelwa isitoko. Understand abantu basemguni. Enhle. All right. So, asana. Ithi mfethu nakho ukuvela ubhebhene nofana nami ke nomkhaba.
Angihlangani nomkhaba ngihlangana nemali yakho.
Ufuna imali. So lerato dawuvaya nobani? Yini nobani the first time?
Notoli noNtokozo, they friends of mine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uyiba bakazise le ndawo le. Ya nebafethu hayi mina mfethu abangani mari ngiyabasaba. Enhle ngizi lezi zinto esizikhuluma nabangani. Mina yazi mfethu kunezinye izinto mfethu ngiyasaba like serious ngoba ngiyacabanga ukuthi even nalesa sikhathi sana mhlawumbe ngisase active ngoba nami ngike ngaba active ku crime and stuff. I mean ngihamba one man. Ngoba ngisaba lento leyo ke wahlangana nayo. Ukuthi community nayo ke phezulu kwakho.
Yeah, but they didn't do anything. Because nabo bafuna imali yabavala umlomo. Ngiyibona.
So njengoba usho ke lerato ukuthi ngabe kuthiwa mhlambe i-passport yakho ayikho ku
minye ke ngisaya because umuntu ngisebenza naye wabulawa. He was killed at Benoni 2022 by, I think you remember this thing about taxi driver bathi babulela wonke umuntu othengisa ama Benoni. You remember that scene? Yeah, he was killed then 2022. Benoni by taxi drivers was still excited. They first gave him to eat. But I think this thing lay totally by Shaya Puga. And then Bampulu spinal cords from like hand. Then why at Glenwood Hospital. He didn't make it. Yeah.
So yazi mina ngokuyithatha kanjani la idinge angisho ukuthi ku right ukubulala abantu bafethu akukho crime wena uthengisa ama or kwenzakalani akukho grand ukubulala umuntu but lerato ntwana mina njengoba nguTony Montana so mina mfethu idile li1 malibhoda we celebrate thina.
Yeah, that's a good thing. We all have our own opinions. We all see things in a different view. We all have different visions of the future and the past. Yeah, but like we all have our own ways we see things. So I'm not gonna blame you. It's how you see life.
Yes.
Yeah, but
At some point nami mfethu ngike ngawabhayisa and I'm not proud. Yangithola. And noma ngibheka from no. Yabo, angithi mangibheka lo muntu obusy no. Ngibuyisela da kulesa sikhathi sami. Uthi ngingafuni nami. Yangithola ngiyitende imali le ngiyifuna. But ngeke ngajumpa at the later stage ukuthi
yeah,
ngizokhawata abantu.
you don't blame me, Joe.
Ne? So namanje usayithanda imali nta.
What do I tell?
Uyazi ukuthi uyenza kanjani.
Hayi manje ngisayenza like ngipodele old last year yabo.
Okay,
But like old la ngwami izinto esibhaya. Yabo may soul rest in peace. May your soul rest in peace. So kumi izinto esibhaya kusho ukuthi nokusingile ngicela ngisale indoda yabona vele sengibheke sister lami kuyilo old lami ke manje.
Okay.
Yabo. Mangiphila uma sentinyana. I try to share everything I have with everyone. As in, ekikasi lami bayangazi first okay, it's a Thanksgiving back every Saturdays, bread and soup kitchen, into engiyenzayo every Saturday. So if you want to give donations, you do give donations, but we don't take money donations. We only take foodstuffs and bread and the kind of things you want to donate, but money. And sithatha asifuna inkulumo kusasa.
So i-charity ni soup kitchen kakhulu sister umuntu
Sister wami responsayo, yeah.
ngano into grand uyabona manenza leyo ayimfithi ngishayeka ngaphansi so yeah ngoba because of ngiyazi ukuthi khona abantu mfethu abalala bangadlili.
Yeah.
So manenza kanje mfethu into enhle nathi siyayitshuna la eKaslanga eDeep Tooth but ke si-riding si-organization siyenza kakhulu June 16 yabo.
Okay,
Yeah,
it's every Saturday.
Every Saturday no nathi kancane siyada yabo kancane bafethu ene nani lapha emakhaya bafethu ngicela nimsupport uSister angithi ngiyabona mfethu uyishintshile indlela zakhe akasa khawati abantu.
I think akaze ngibakhawazi
Yabo yazi
ngikhawazi umuntu.
Ngazavuma but ke okay right ngeke okay ithi bongakhawati abantu ne mara unesandla futhi ayilisi semfene.
All right.
Khawati naba.
Ngiyabonga.
Yeah, tsona amagama okugcina nje ungakhuthaza ngawo youth. Yeah, just to motivate nje yangithola as much as like ngake kariko wena umahlwadi bona. Mina ngaze ngayi Brazil. Yangifrostan.
Yeah. First money never comes clean and clean money never comes fast. So pick one. It's your choice.
Yeah.
Those are my last words.
Bafethu ngizwile. Nami ngizwile bafethu. And siyabonga sister. I think ukuthi if ever khona la ngingafika ngakhona bafethu. Ngicela ningeneni lapha kuma comment section. Ningabuza bafethu, yabo? And then bazothi mababuza. Mina ngikubuza.
Nami ngizokuphendula.
Ngiyakuthemba. Thank you. So it's a positive experience lo.